Hey, this video is to help you go ahead and move your site from the free WordPress.com to your new domain. We went down to Tools and Export. We exported the XML, and the problem is it just doesn't get everything. Just to give you an example, you look at the media. This is the media that Export picked up and moved to the new site, and then we look at the media that you have on yours. It didn't get but about 12 items. So what we're going to have to do is you're going to have to move the media individually. They're on here. When I go to images, there was a bulk select, but then you still couldn't copy them. So you're going to have to copy them one by one unless you have them on a computer somewhere. To copy one by one, you're going to want to go ahead and click it. May have to edit the image. Right click, save image as, and save it on your computer, and then we'll have to go back to the new site and upload the media back. So anything you have, you are going to try to double click it or edit it so that it becomes large. You know, right now this is 800 by 1200, and if I right click save image as, it's going to make it 800 by 1200. If I just right click this right now and save image as, I'm going to bet you that it's not going to give me the same size. You can test that theory, but I bet it's not. So you're going to have to do that individually. The next thing you're going to need to do is to go to your, this is the new site. You can see where it doesn't have much media, and check the posts and compare the posts that it did bring over with the post over in your original free account. So it'll be a little bit tedious work there to make sure that it's treated you right and done what needs to be done. But that's basically what you're going to need to do, is just compare the old with the new. When you finally get everything dumped out of the old and you've got the new one the way you want it, at that point we'll go into the old one and we'll move the actual domain name, and we'll move that over to SiteGround where your host is as well. Once you get this all done and in SiteGround, it's going to be really easy. If you ever want to move it somewhere else, it'll be simple. It won't be like this. You'll be able to get every file. You'll be able to get the database. But these are things you cannot do at the WordPress.com free level. And I'm not even real sure if you were to pay them the money they want to upgrade you, I'm not real sure you're going to be able to do what you need to do anyway. There is a thing called I think it's called Backup Buddy that WordPress can use. It's a plugin, but you can't install any plugins unless you upgrade. And then if you pay to upgrade and then you find out Backup Buddy still doesn't work right, maybe it doesn't get the database or whatever, then you've paid a bunch of money and it's not going to work anyway. So it looks to me like you may have to just do it the rest of it manually. And that's why I did this video, just to kind of show you what you're going to end up having to do. And of course, on the new site, you're going to want to go ahead and install that theme that you bought as well. All right, that's the video. If you need any help, text me or call me. Thanks. Bye.